Hey guys, Abel here, and today we're going to be going over step 3 of the Google Doc. And if you want this Google Doc, it'll be in the first link in the description. So it helps you start your whole business. And we're going to be going over how to load the snapshot and set up the voice AI. So just click on this link. It'll bring you into GoHighLevel. And yes, import now. Back to snapshots. Wait for it to load. We can just create a new sub account. And since I'm not actually adding a business, I'm adding for me. So I'll go to add manually and just fill out some placeholders. And this is my own account, because if you import it as a client account, it won't transfer some of the stuff like the voice AI. We'll hit add sub account and it'll make the sub account. All right, and now the sub account is loaded. So we're gonna go over here, go into our sub account, which is this one. And we'll go over to AI agents, voice AI, and agent list, and you'll see the pre-made voice AI from the snapshot. Go in here and see we have a bunch of custom values. So either you can go in and put the custom, you can just delete this and put a custom value in, or if you use my snapshot, you'll have all of these tags. So you go to settings, you go to custom values, and see here you'll have the business name you're setting it up for, the calendar link, the meeting link, the owner's name, and a review link if you're doing review automations. So here we can go to edit and then put the custom value in. So it's the business name. So we're setting it up for us. So for business, so you put your name or a business name if you're setting it up for a business. And update. And it's calendar link and then owner's name. We'll just put John. And these custom values are also in your workflows you'll get with a snapshot, which we'll go over in a different video. So go back to agents, agent list, voice AI. And this voice AI is set up to greet them, ask them how they can help, if they have any questions, and if they're an existing customer. And you can go through here, edit the call flow however the business owner would want. So if they want to book appointments, or they want to get leads for like a catering business, if they have questions, or like a salon, they want to schedule their hair appointment. And we thank you for calling, and then business name with the custom value. I'm your AI assistant. You have to have this AI assistant for legal reasons, or I wouldn't want it in there. But for legal reasons, you have to say it's AI, and you also have to say that the call is being recorded. So because the AI records the call and transcribes it, so they take all their information. That's the legal part. Anywho, during the call, if they find like, okay, yeah, we'll send you the booking confirmation to your SMS. If they once they give a phone number, they'll send a SMS here. It'll be high contact name, so because it'll ask for their name and get their info. Contract full name, their phone number, the purpose of the call, and you can also add in email, but I'd only do full name, phone number, and any relevant stuff. So like if they need plumbing and they need their house address or something like that. You could also book and after the call, or we can make this trigger a workflow if you have a custom booking workflow you want to make. And knowledge base right here, you can make a knowledge base. And whenever you're setting it up, you can either use the voice AI prompt that I'll give you at the end of the video and get their Google business profile and put it in the prompt into the voice AI box right here instead of using a knowledge base, because knowledge base can actually slow down the voice AI agent sometimes. Or you can hit create new and it'll bring you up to the knowledge base section. Create a new knowledge base. Test. knowledge sources, and you can go to web crawler, add website, and you can just add the business's website here or their Google business profile. And you can add FAQs, like if you go into their reviews, you can have a scraper get all their reviews and just see how many questions or stuff people usually ask or about the service. Or if the website itself has FAQs, I would recommend putting this manually. Back to the agent. And here we have call settings. So up here, you'll see each minute costs a certain amount of money depending on which model you have. So you might want to limit your call time so you don't spend much money, or just charge you don't want to really charge the client for their time unless it's a really high ticket and they're using it all the time. And then LLM temperature, I wouldn't mess with this. It can get a little weird once you have that set up high. And back channeling, so they're like, make it sound a little more human instead of just strictly a robot, can help too. Translation of speech, so it transcribes it. Just got that part of it. Translation, voice settings. Voice settings, you can remove the noise of the background and have background sound if you want to have like a call center, so it doesn't feel like just a robot call. And then post call, you can trigger a workflow after the call, like making the call transcripts and stuff. And you can also send them a performance summary of how the call went, so that would be in your weekly, what you give the client weekly, so they have a reason to use the voice AI, and even more reasons. I wouldn't touch the system prompts and outbound settings. That's a huge legal discussion there for outbound calls. And yeah, and here you can test the call, and whenever you deploy it, you need a number. So you just buy a new number, and whenever you're buying a new number, make sure you use the area code of the business locally, so it doesn't confuse. Like, why would you use 361 for an area code of 320? It doesn't make sense. And here you can set the working hours of the voice AI, so all the time or a custom schedule, and you can have the voice AI answer first or just use the backup. So if the client doesn't want to replace their receptionist because the receptionist is family, well, you can take that work off the receptionist for maybe just after hours, as in custom hours, and then set after hours, or you can set it just for their lunchtime. Like once the receptionist goes out to lunch, then the AI is there to pick up the calls. And in the link in the description, I will have a completely custom Google Doc that you'll just paste into ChatGPT and add the client's business profile, and it'll make an entire custom voice AI script you can put into your pre-existing voice AI. And that is how you make voice AI for yourself or a client. And if you're still figuring out your offer, how to find prospects, and how to sell to them, then the first link in the description will have this fully built out Google Doc with a 14-day free trial to GoHighLevel, so you can start your business, test it out, and get your first client. And I'll see you guys in the next video.